Samsung is gearing up for a major splash in the wearable tech space once again, and this time, it's not just a simple refresh. With the official reveal of the Galaxy Watch 8 series right around the corner, expected during the July 2025 Unpack event, fans are already buzzing about what might be the most diversified smartwatch lineup in Samsung's history. This year, Samsung is going big. We're getting not just 2, but 3 smartwatches: the Galaxy Watch 8, the return of the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic, and the powerful Galaxy Watch Ultra 2. While the Ultra model may cater to the extreme outdoors or health-focused elite, the Classic and Standard Watch 8 are where most consumers are directing their attention. So, let's break down the key differences, upgrades, and new features that separate these 2 highly anticipated smartwatches. Release date and launch timeline: Samsung traditionally hosts its Summer Unpacked event in early July, and 2025 will be no different. Current intel points to an official unveiling during the second week of July, with pre-orders going live shortly afterward and full retail availability by late July or early August. Expect the Galaxy Watch 8 and Classic to launch alongside the new Galaxy Z Fold 7, Galaxy Z Flip 7, and possibly even updates to the Galaxy Buds lineup. Samsung's summer reveals are increasingly packed with AI-driven hardware, and this smartwatch release is no exception. Design philosophy: classic style versus modern minimalism. One of the most obvious differences between the Galaxy Watch 8 and the Watch 8 Classic is the design. Galaxy Watch 8 Classic brings back the iconic mechanical rotating bezel, a feature beloved by traditional watch enthusiasts and longtime Galaxy Watch fans. This clicky, tactile ring offers a satisfying way to navigate menus without smudging the screen. It also leans heavily into the premium category with its 46mm stainless steel frame, giving it a luxurious, dress watch aesthetic. In contrast, the Galaxy Watch 8 adopts a sleeker, more modern aesthetic. It ditches the mechanical bezel for a digital one, embraces a thinner, lighter aluminum build, and is expected to be just 9mm thick. It's clearly designed for active users who prioritize comfort, portability, and fitness tracking over traditional styling. The Watch 8 will reportedly come into sizes 40mm and 44mm and is perfect for gym sessions or casual daily wear. Performance and battery life: both watches are rumored to run on the new Exynos W1000 chipset, promising better power efficiency, faster app loading, and improved AI capabilities. The chip will be at the heart of Wear OS 6, paired with One UI Watch 8, Samsung's custom interface. Galaxy Watch 8 Classic is expected to house a 425 mAh battery, which should deliver around 1.5 days of usage, possibly more with battery optimizations from the new chip. The standard Galaxy Watch 8 will vary slightly depending on the size. 40mm model, approximately 300 mAh for model, approximately 425 mAh, despite the smaller battery in the 40mm model. It balances out thanks to a smaller screen and lightweight design, meaning all sizes could have very similar battery life. New features and health tracking: upgrade: Samsung is doubling down on health and fitness technology, integrating more biometric and wellness tracking tools across its 2025 lineup. Here are the most exciting features expected in both the Galaxy Watch 8 and Classic. Cardiovascular load monitoring: gorgeously exclusive to the Galaxy Watch Ultra. This tool analyzes how much physical strain your heart and vascular system undergo daily, even while you sleep. If your cardiovascular load is too high, the watch can notify you and suggest ways to improve heart health. Antioxidant index sensor: using advanced onboard sensors, the watch may be able to measure carotenoid levels in your skin. This provides a biomarker-based estimate of how well your body is absorbing antioxidants, offering insights into your diet quality and suggesting nutritional improvements. Sleep coaching and smart suggestion: sleep tracking has long been a Galaxy Watch staple, but this year, AI-enhanced algorithms are expected to offer deeper insights like recovery advice, breathing patterns, and stress recovery suggestions. One-touch nutritional logging: watches might introduce a simple way to log meals via voice or shortcuts, tying into Samsung Health, and possibly a new premium subscription platform for detailed insights and professional coaching. AI integration and One UI Watch 8: the Galaxy Watch 8 series will launch with Wear OS 6, but heavily skinned with Samsung's One UI Watch 8. Expect smoother animations, redesigned widgets, and smarter interactions across the board. AI will take center stage in the form of contextual workout suggestions, real-time recovery tips, personalized wellness reports, voice-enhanced features through Bixby, and Samsung Health. Samsung is clearly looking to compete with Apple's AI-powered health tracking and coaching tools. Rumors also suggest some features may live behind a paywall, Similar to Apple Fitness Plus or Fitbit Premium, Compatibility and Ecosystems has stuck with its revised watch band system, introduced in the Galaxy Watch 6. So any bands you've previously purchased should still be compatible with the Watch 8 lineup. These new watches will also sync seamlessly with Galaxy Z Fold and Flip series Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 SmartThings Ecosystems Health App Expectator. Integrations with Galaxy AI tools and possibly new automation features, triggered by your wellness state or location. Price and availability. Print leaks suggest Galaxy Watch 8 Classic 46mm, $399 for $149 just available. In both Bluetooth only and LTE capable versions, Galaxy Watch 8 40mm and 44mm, 40mm, $299, $32,940 for millimeters, $319, $349 AD detailed $50 for LTE versions, while the Classic will cost more. Due to its stainless steel build and physical bezel, the standard Watch 8 provides nearly the same health tech for a lower price. Who should buy which? Choose the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic if you value premium material, traditional styling, rotating physical bezel, so formal or business-friendly aesthetic. Choose the Galaxy Watch 8 if you prioritize lightweight and thin design, fitness-focused features, affordability, or sporty use. Final thoughts. Which Galaxy Watch 8 is right for you? Samsung is refining its smartwatch strategy by offering both elegance and athleticism. With deep AI integration, better biometric tracking, and forward-thinking health tech like the antioxidant index and cardiovascular load, the Galaxy Watch 8 series is more than just a smartwatch, it's a personal health companion. Whether you're dressing up or working out, there's a Galaxy Watch 8 model tailored for you. And with release day coming fast, now's the perfect time to decide which one belongs on your wrist. Subscribe for more in-depth breakdowns, hands-on reviews, and comparisons as soon as the Galaxy Watch 8 hits shelves.